Electrical Engineering. Alaba Steven Mulano, Manawa, Pangasinan. Aquino Mac Carlo Season, Mangatarang, Pangasinan. Baloy Joshua Kasupang, Dagupan City. Barolo Cholo Calaunan, Calasiao, Pangasinan. Bermudez Johnson Ascueta, Dagupan City. Wada
Hey. Pogi-pogi. Pati-pati lang. Dapat ito. Isang mayo ang pagpakarami.
Salamin mo!
Salamin. Okay, Mac.
Hindi lang dahil sa paborito ko ang bangos dito, pero dahil napakainit palagi ang pagtanggap ng mga Dagupenyo sa amin. Kaya malbalag na salamat dahil sa kayo na Pero bago ang lahat, ngayong araw, sigurado makukuha na ninyo ang diploma nyo. Pero ang isang nagbabagang tanong, nakuha nyo na ba yung birth certificate ninyo? O baka hindi nyo na maalala, Your Honor? Tulad ni Attorney Reyna. Kidding aside, what an incredible feat for each and every one of you to be here today. Sa dami ng pinagdaanan ninyo, isang napakalaking tagumpay.
Starting off with Bachelor's Steven Mulano, Manawa, Pangasinan. Aquino Mac Carlo Season, Mangatarang, Pangasinan. Baloy Joshua Kasupang, Dagupan City. Barolo Cholo Kalaunan, Calasiao, Pangasinan. Bermudez Johnson Ascueta, Dagupan City. Wada Harrison de la Cruz, San Carlos City. Caporno Daniel, Santa Barbara, Pangasinan. Caridad Malia Kairos Joy Manawis, Dagupan City. Cervantes Mark Ember Prado, Santa Barbara, Pangasinan. Rivera Chester Cedric Avalos, Binmalay, Pangasinan. De la Cruz
Their memories are cherished, networks are forged, and opportunities abound. Mrs. Sertrudes C. Sampson, Director for Alumni Relations, represented by Dr. Dolores Castillo, Human Resource Officer, will present the new alumni members. And without further ado,
Luzon Alumni Federated Association, I have the honor to present to you 605 graduates of class 2023-2024. Having satisfactory
600 na mamahaya, papayakiro.
with all the requirements as prescribed by this institution and approved by the Chairman, Commission on Higher Education, these graduates are now ready to accept the challenging task that await them in the outside world, the University of Life. Equipped with the knowledge, the skills, and training provided by their beloved alma mater, we hope that they will successfully fulfill their individual missions in life. It is looking for them, the global brand Luzonian, a trust mark of excellence. Mr. President, be that as it is, I strongly recommend that they be inducted into the University of Luzon Alumni Association.
Acting upon the recommendation of doctors of the University of Luzon Alumni Association with all the rights and privileges thereto given. As new members of the UL Alumni Association, let us therefore affirm our pledge of loyalty to our alma mater. As a graduate of the University of Luzon, I do hereby solemnly swear that I will maintain true faith and loyalty to my alma mater. That I will strive to keep and protect a secret trust her good name and traditions. I will dedicate myself to the ideals of service. I pledge to do my best to pass into my implement the benefits and blessings of a college education which I have earned from the University of Luzon, so that I might be able to contribute, even in a bigger way, to the enlightenment of the needy, and to help the progress of the Republic of the Philippines, thereby provide prosperity among our people and country. I do solemnly affirm in my honor that I will perform my duties University of Luzon. As a citizen of the Republic of the Philippines, I promise upon myself these obligations voluntarily without any mental reservation. So help me God. Class 2024, congratulations!
Let's watch the same day end. Please be seated.
Yun lang.
Never settle for anything less than our values. God bless University of Luzon.
Hindi kasi ice cream to sa loob eh.
Hindi na siya sa loob.
Ice cream to sa loob, kaya matigas. Kaya matigas ito.
Ganda to. Hindi ko out lang ata.
Matigas talaga to. Okay na yung
Awang karter mo, palaran to. Tanga, sumasigol. Nagkasakap mo na ito ng gulting ka.
Kal! One! Sige, tingis ka ta!
Ya, itu kau manok, itu nang panyo.